Good morning, everybody. It's Diana at Catherine Diana Studios. Happy Friday. I thought I would share with you some cute little faux Halloween postage stamps that I made out of some Hallmark Halloween tissue paper. I've been looking for Halloween stamps, and I go to the post office and I buy stamps when I mail out my orders. When they're small enough and under $10, then I can use regular postage stamps and save on some of the postage. That's why my postage is so cheap through my shop, which I'm going to have to bounce it up because the postage has gone up 4 times since I opened my shop. And it's starting to get to where I'm going to start taking a hit. So, but I go and look for postage stamps to use. So when people buy paper napkins from my shop, I color coordinate or add something that's similar theme to what they bought so they can use that in their artwork too. And then anything that's over $9 or $10 rather, then I have to get a label through Etsy because they require a tracking number, and they save you a little bit of money going that way than going through the post office. So I go to the post office, I buy pretty stamps. I'm always looking for something that might be Halloween themed. They just don't have anything. They never do. I don't think they ever will. They never seem to have. So I thought the other day I was at Walmart and I saw this cute tissue paper. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, that's upside down. That's all right. But it's a Hallmark product, and it's tissue paper, and every page has these images. So it's a bunch. I don't know how many pages are in there. It probably says on the pack. 8 sheets. 8 sheets that are quite large. What are these? Almost 20 by 20. So there's lots and lots of images. So what I did was I tore out, and I cut out some images too, and then I just used my glue stick and put them on photocopy paper. Easy peasy. And then just cut them with some decorative little scissors. And I had some little rubber stamps here to indicate, 25 cents for the stamp. And I did a little bit of, I don't know, kind of grungy distressing around and so on. But I thought these are really cute and more for kids stuff, but you could use them with adults things too. But there's a couple little things that I want to use them with, little snippets and stuff to create, and little faux Halloween postcards and stuff like that to create some cute little faux letters and envelopes and stuff for Halloween, journals and little packets full of candy and things like that. So I'm going to try and zoom in a little bit more so you can see. Let me get this right here like that. We go in a little bit more, and I think what I'll do, there you go. I should take a picture of that. So anyway, I thought they were darling. They were inexpensive. I think that paper was like $2.99. I'm not positive. It doesn't say on the package. And you have just a boatload of stuff. So anyway, so there you go. So cute little handmade faux postage stamps. And if you want something a little different, maybe a little more grown up, you can certainly use your rubber stamps, your Halloween rubber stamps that you have. And right now, Michael's and various places have those little, they're not quite like this, but they have these little containers like this full of little Halloween stamps. Oh, let me get in the, I forgot I'm zoomed in, so here, let me zoom back out again so I can show you things. There we go. So they're full of Halloween stamps, and you can use stuff like that. So that would be cute. So anyway, but there you go. So quick, cute idea, and thought I would share that. Kind of on a crafting on a budget kind of thing lately. So there you go. So hope you have a great weekend. Today's Friday, so happy Friday to you. Have an awesome weekend, and we'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.